everyone, welcome to our channel Mindful Convo. For today, we will discuss about the ACCA job opportunities in India. So, this is the most hot topic regarding the ACCA students, that whether it's feasible for them to work in India after acquiring the ACCA degree or being an ACCA affiliate or an ACCA member. So I would say that yes, the opportunities are for sure in India as well, due to the world has moved towards the globalization. So only few points you have to keep in mind so that you can easily get the jobs in India after ACCA. So post qualification, you need to work with any firm or company. So it could be in different profiles which is related to ACCA. So the profiles could be accountancy, finance, auditing, assurance, even risk, taxation. There are so many profiles. So you have to try to gain experience for at least 2 years, and after that you can easily apply in companies for senior level. So I would say that ACCA is a global degree which provides you global recognition. So many people have doubts regarding the job prospects in ACCA in India. So it is really good to do ACCA in India, but you should have the practical knowledge and required skills for the job profile. So as I have said, that post qualification experience is really required to keep yourself stand aside the crowd. So the struggle is mainly at the fresher level. After attaining good experience, you can easily place yourself in big organizations. So Big Four and other big MNCs are always the best option for ACCAs. So in Big Four, there are different profiles in which ACCAs are hired. So they are hired for risk, IFRS profiles, or investment advisory, risk advisory, audit and assurance, accounting advisory, internal audit, taxation, or corporate finance profiles as well. So in India, I would say the scope for ACCA is not in small firms. Even the scope for job opportunities is in MNCs, which are outsourcing their global work in India. So if we talk about today's time, there are plenty of MNCs established in India which may provide better job opportunities for ACCAs. So day by day scope is increasing as it is gaining recognition in India as well. So ACCA qualified individuals get easily placed at Big Four companies like EY, PwC, Deloitte, and KPMG. So these Big Fours have their global departments. So in those departments easily ACCA can be placed. So MNCs including Tata Grant Thornton, then Embassy Group and PepsiCo, so these all recruit ACCA professionals. So apart from that, Accenture, SBC, HSBC, and there are so many companies, some UK based companies, San Martin. So all these companies also do look for accountants, so which are having ACCA certification. So if I talk about the salary part, so ACCA salary in India is considerably equivalent to that of a CA professional. So an individual with ACCA qualification can earn an average salary of up to INR 8 lakhs per annum. So the pay scale generally ranges between INR 5 lakh per annum to INR 18 lakhs per annum. So it could go higher too. So depending upon the candidate's skills and experience. So taking help from some consulting or referral firm that connects you to the good firms with vacancies is one way to grab the ACCA job opportunities in India. So sending individual resume to different firms on your own is the best approach to work towards an ACCA hiring MNCs. So even I would say that the best approach will be the ACCA website, which offers you a job portal on which vacancies are published related to ACCAs. So that job portal contains vacancies from all the states all over the world. So it also covers various job profiles. So you have to just register yourself with career portal and upload your resume. So it is a really very good initiative taken by ACCA, where you can easily try to search what your type of vacancy you are looking for the particular profile in the particular state, in the particular country, and you can easily get yourself placed. So another plus point of having an ACCA course certification is that you can move to the senior management positions very easily and in the very beginning of your career. So I would say that having a good academic background and a good performance at the ACCA course exam and a good work experience will ensure you for the good job opportunities in India as well. So there is no need to worry about the job prospects, as the ACCA profession is gaining more recognition. People are getting more aware about it. The job profiles are increasing day by day. So there are a lot of opportunities. So don't worry. And if you have some more queries, feel free to ping me in the comment box. So till then, goodbye, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.